Okay, so here we will see how to use the mirrors in the term of the sketch. We are going to design this simple like contour and then extrude it for a 1 inch. We will use the 1060 alloy as a material. So we will start the SolidWorks. We will start a new part. We need to be sure that we are IPS. And materials, we are going to click on a 1060 alloy. Now, we'll go to sketch on a front plane. And because here we have a mirror symmetry, we have a symmetry in this direction as well as symmetry in this direction, we just need to make this contour here. And we don't need to clean this space because we can actually, during extrusion, choose the two different or multiple of different regions. So we are going to make a rectangle. Then we are going to pull a vertical line. We are going to pull a slanted line. And then once we enter the dimensions, it will all fall into the place. It will be a fully defined model. So, and we will extrude it. So, first I'm going to make a rectangle of 2 by 1 inch. So I'm going to sketch. I opened already a sketch. Click on a corner rectangle from coordinate origin outwards. I will place that this length is a 2 and height of this rectangle, this line is a 1. Now, I'm going to make a vertical line. How I'm going to make a vertical line? I will pull from this point. I will hover around this corner point until it say coincidental. We'll pull out and we'll need to be sure that there is this yellow vertical line. Left click mouse down and click somewhere here for the slanted line. Press escape. Now I need to place a dimension between horizontal dimension between this point, end point of the slanted line, and vertical line on the back. And this dimension is a 1.8 inches. And finally, I need to place a dimension of angle between the horizontal line. Click on a horizontal line, and then click on a slanted line. And this dimension line will turn into the angle, and the angle is a 45. And click OK. And that fully defines my sketch. Now, if I look, I will need to do mirror in a one direction and then again mirror in the other direction. I can do mirror either in a sketch by using a mirror line or in a features mode where I will use the plane. Today, we will do it in a sketch. So to use the sketch mirror, here it is mirror entities command. It asks entities to mirror and mirror about. Entities to mirror will be this top line, the slanted line, little vertical line, and long vertical line. Mirror about will be my left vertical line. If I click OK, that created a mirror image. Next, I'm going to mirror everything around horizontal lines. So again, I press mirror entity. Entities to mirror this time are this vertical line, this little line, slanted line, horizontal line, this slanted line, this little vertical line, and this horizontal, this vertical line, and mirror about bottom horizontal line. Click OK. This have created a fully defined contour. Now, all what I have to do is extrude it for a 1 inch. And to extrude it for a 1 inch, I will click on the Extrude Boss base. And now I need to choose distance 1 inch, blind condition, and I need to click on select contour. So left click on this select contour box. Choose all the contours that we need to extrude, including the little ears. Everything is chosen. Press OK. And here is our piece. If I right-click on annotation, show feature dimensions, all the dimensions are shown. Pull them out to see better. All the dimensions are shown and are correct. And if I check now the If I check the mass property, it is 0.79 pounds if the part is made out of the 1060 alloy. I will save this, whatever, let's say NGT 259004, and then I will be able to submit it here as an assignment. So this completes this model. And we learned how to use the mirror in a content of the sketching. Thank you.